In the previous video, we looked at Sherwin-Williams Aesthetic White. We checked out its depth, how it's going to act in different exposures. We compared it to similar colors and found out which whites look best for cabinets and trim. And that is all very, very important stuff. But there's also the fun end of things where we get to coordinate with it. So in this video, we are looking at paint colors that go with Aesthetic White, whether you want to paint an adjoining room like a bedroom, bathroom, maybe you want to do your cabinets, inside of your front door, an accent wall, whatever you want to paint, the colors are here. If you like these, you'll want to also check out the Accessible Beige video because a lot of the colors that go with Accessible Beige also suit Aesthetic White. So let's see what I've got up my colorful little sleeves here. Gossamer Veil. That is perfection. I love this combo. Gossamer Veil is a beautiful combo to Aesthetic White. I wouldn't put them in the same room, but in adjoining rooms, 100%. And I have blog posts for probably every single one of these colors, and I'm working on getting all the videos done, so learn more about them, compare those. Evergreen Fog, that looks gorgeous with Aesthetic White. Maybe you want an accent wall, you want to paint your kitchen island. And I'm just flying through these. Make notes of the ones you like, because if I go into detail on each one, we'll be here all day. Connected Gray, ooh, nice rich warm green grayish undertone. Love that with Aesthetic White. Like most beiges, it tends to cater to colors with green over blue, but being an off-white beige, it's reasonably flexible to some blues, but it prefers those. If you're looking at lighter blues to go with Aesthetic White, it's nice if they have a bit of green and a good chunk of gray in them. Balanced Beige, that's great with Aesthetic White. No problem there. You know, cabinets, wall, great combo. Benjamin Moore Brewster Gray. Yeah, that's the kind of blue tone that Aesthetic White likes because there's a ton of green in there and a ton of gray in there. I mean, it's not necessarily light, but that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Amazing Gray by Sherwin-Williams. Gorgeous grayish. Love that little green undertone in Amazing Gray. So good. Gray Matters. Gray Matters. There's like a good double meaning there. So pretty, love it. Kind of a steely color with a nice greeny, cool green blue undertone. So gorgeous. Like some of these I just want to stare at because it fills up my color cup. Makes me feel good. Pure White, great adjoining room, trim color, beautiful. I did Aesthetic White in my bed and bath and I did White Dove with it, but I lightened White Dove by 25% just to boost it up a little bit. Jogging Path. Nice grayish with a good green hue in there. Looks great with Aesthetic White. You can create a beautiful palette around that. Like gorgeous. Benjamin Moore Iced Marble. So good. So coastal. Like I love that. So good. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, wait. Sorry, I got all my sound effects going here. You know, you're creating a palette for your home. You're looking at other rooms. Look at that. We've got Amazing Gray, Iced Marble, and Jogging Path. With Aesthetic White, Aesthetic White is so darn flexible. I almost painted my entire house this color. So pretty, so flexible, so good. I've got more. Illusive Green. That looks great. Nice grayed out green, beautiful. Moth Wing, so a more moderate kind of beigey brown. Going with Aesthetic White there. Techno Gray. I love it. Techno Gray is nice grayed out green. Beautiful. Hopefully you're seeing some you love here. Aloof Gray. Okay, hang with me for a sec. Let me find, there it is. Okay. Yeah, yes. Yes. Okay. What? Okay, Aesthetic White. Gossamer Veil. And what was that one that got me all jacked? Aloof Gray. So coastal, so calming, so relaxing. Love it. Again, look at the versatility of Aesthetic White. It is amazeballs. I love it. Accessible Beige. More or less like a darker take on Aesthetic White. Awesome, awesome. Mindful Gray. Nice warm gray with a bit of a grayish undertone. Looks beautiful. Minimalist. This is one of Sherwin-Williams' new colors. Yeah, that's okay. I don't mind that. It's Oyster Bay, this is probably lovely. Yeah, I'm down with that. Oyster Bay is so stunning. Same with Comfort Gray. So good. Front Porch. Oh yeah. Aesthetic White really loves these smoky colors, these grayed out colors, whether they're lighter or darker. Aesthetic White is down with it. Edgecomb Gray. Oh, I would definitely put those in adjoining rooms. That's a great combo. Sometimes I surprise myself. Like I just grab all these colors being like, oh yeah, maybe, yes, no. And I grab ones that don't work so you can learn too, but sometimes I look, I'm like, oh yeah, that's actually really nice. Dovetail, yeah, high contrast. You know, at this depth with Aesthetic White, I might shift over to like Anonymous, Porpoise, which have more of a green grayish look. I'm not gonna say I'm hating on that, but I don't love it, but I like it. Casa, oh woof, that is terrible. So I did want to grab a cream because it shows you how cream yellow undertone with Aesthetic White is just, there's so many things wrong with that. So long story short, don't put cream with Aesthetic White. Benjamin Moore Charcoal Slate, gorgeous gray blue. Yes, all day long. Cityscape, we're almost done, stay with me. Don't go yet. Yeah, nice gray green, nice cool tone, stormy. And seriously, I've got this pile of colors here and I'm looking at them all being like, these are all so pretty. Like here, like look at this. Evergreen Fog's maybe a little bit, oh no, oh yeah. So Evergreen Fog and Brewster Gray from Benjamin Moore. Yeah, I love it. My job is so friggin' fun. Worldly Gray by Sherwin Williams. Absolutely, 100%. Beautiful. We've got 4 more. Anonymous, I talked about that earlier. Nice grayish with a green hue, love it. Beautiful cabinet color, Islands. Cyberspace, nice wicked dark blue, love it. Eclipse, gorgeous green, nice warm shade. And lastly, Cast Iron, another green one. I have a great video on all the dark greens and a blog post on the dark greens. Check it out. And thank you for watching my YouTube video and please consider subscribing.